Hello everybody, welcome to the fifth video of C++ programming language. In this video we are going to look at arithmetic operations that are in the C++ language. The common arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and remainder operator. So let's look at each of these operators in one by one. So for the program starts with include directory that includes the input output stream, and then we use the functions in the standard namespace, and then the definition of main function that returns integer value. Then we define three floating variables. var1, we assign that as 10 to variable 1. Then we assign 3 to variable 2, and we just define variable 3 without any initialization, and an integer variable with the name variable 4, and that is not initialized either. So let's look at the addition operation. So the compiler interprets this C++ statement as add the content of variable 1 and the content of variable 2 and assign that total value to variable 3. So variable 1 contains 10 and variable 2 contains 3, so 10 plus 3 equals 13. So once this line is executed, variable 3 will have 13. So if we print cout, variable 3 equals 13 here. So now subtraction, similar to the addition operation, subtraction means the variable 2 is subtracted from variable 1 and the result is assigned to variable 3. Variable 1 is number 10, variable 2 is 3, so 10 minus 3 equals 7, so 7 is assigned to variable 3. So if you print 7 cout variable 3, then it will print 7. So the next operation is multiplication. So the compiler interprets this C++ statement as multiply variable content of variable 1 and variable 2 and assign the result to variable 3. Variable 1 is 10, variable 2 is 3, so 10 multiplied by 3 equals 20. So if you print cout means standard output, variable 3 equal to the content of variable 3, that is 30. The next operation is division. So so in this statement what happens is variable 1 is divided by variable 2 and the result is assigned to variable 3. So variable 1 is 10 divided by 3 equals 3.3. so once this line is executed, the variable will have 3.33. And the next, so there are two ways you can write C++ arithmetic operation. One is the long way, like if you want to add v1 and v3. So if you want to add v1 to v3, then you can either write v3 equals v3 plus v1, or you also can shorten the addition operation by writing v3 plus equal sign var1. So the compiler interprets this statement as add v1 and v3 and assign the result to v3. This is how this statement is interpreted by the compiler. Similarly, var3, if you want to subtract v1 from v3, then you write it like this: var3 equals, so var3 minus equals var1. This means var1 is subtracted from var3 and the result is assigned to var3. Similarly, the multiplication operation, this statement is interpreted as var1 and var3 is multiplied together and the result is assigned back to var3. And then this is var3 divided by var1 and the result is assigned to var3. Similarly, we haven't looked at the remainder operation. So the remainder operation means you divide variable 1 by variable 3 and the remainder is assigned to variable 4. So var1 is so before you perform remainder operation, you can perform remainder operation on integer variables. So I cast the variable, as we declared var1 and var2 as floating variables, I cast these two variables as integers by writing int and then within bracket the name of the variable. So now the variable 1 and the value in variable 1 and variable 2 are cast to integers, and then you perform the remainder operation. So var1 is 10, var3 var2 is 3. So if you divide 10 by 3, the remainder is 1. So 1 is assigned to variable 4. So if you, at this line, if you print variable 4, this will be printed as number 1. So similarly, if you want to shorten this statement, what you can do is, for example, if you want to assign the remainder when you divide variable 4 by variable 1, then you can shorten it like this. So this is interpreted as divide variable 4 by variable 1 and assign the variable the remainder back to variable 1. So the denominator here, the denominator is cast to an int and variable 4 is already an int, so you don't need to cast that to an integer value. So that's all for this video, and we'll see you in the next video.